Hello, thanks a lot for stopping by How to Cook Great. Now if you like what you see, there's over 3,000 other cooking videos on our channel. Give us a thumbs up, leave a comment and I'll try and get back to you. Okay, let's get on with this one. How you doing? So today we're going to make this chicken stew. Chicken, tomatoes, I've got chickpeas in there, a bit of veg, loads of garlic. It is absolutely delicious. Stick that in the middle of a table and share that with the family. Absolutely beautiful and really easy. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. Okay, let's take a look at what we have here. So I've got a chicken there. A whole chicken, the skin is on, the bone is in. I've cut it into nice large pieces. There's about a 1 kg, just over 1 kg, which is 2.2 pound. 1 can of tomatoes, that's 400 ml. Chickpeas, I'm using from a can, again a 400 ml can. Give them a nice wash in some water. 1 cup of onions. About half a cup of tomato paste. 2 tablespoons of garlic chopped. 2 teaspoons of thyme, and in here I've got some bell peppers just for a bit of colour. If you want, add some eggplants, potatoes, carrots or mushrooms, something like that. That's about it. Let's get moving. Okay, so I've got 3 tablespoons of oil. I'm using a corn oil. You can use something different if you want. Let's grab our chicken. We're going to get that in. And you can see I've cut it in some nice sort of big sizes. Medium heat, what we're going to do is we're going to cook this for about 7 or 8 minutes. And I'm going to be moving it around fairly often. So we've just got a bit of colour on that. I mean, obviously nowhere near cooked, but give it a nice head start. Let's hit it with some salt and black pepper. And be generous with the black pepper. Well, at least I am. And then 1 cup of onion. And then a ton of garlic, like a tablespoon, 2 tablespoons, it's entirely up to you. So stay on this heat, which is kind of just about a medium. We're going to go for about another 4 minutes. Keep it moving now. So the onions and the garlic are just softening. At this point we're going to add in our thyme. Now I'm using thyme, but if you wanted oregano, dried basil, tarragon, sage, take it in any direction you want. And we're going to add that half cup of tomato paste. About another 4 minutes. I just want to kind of cook the tomato paste out a little bit in there. Then I'll be back. Keep it moving around. Really fabulous, really beautiful. Right, now we're going to go in with the chickpeas. Now look, by the way, if you were adding carrots or potatoes, you want to get them in now. Another 4 minutes. Then we're ready for our tomato. So I've got 1 can of tomatoes here. I'm using a whole plum tomato. In they go. I'm just going to roughly break them with my spoon. Now what we're going to do, we're going to lower the heat, not to a simmer but above a simmer. We're going to put a lid on this and we're going to let it go for about 8 minutes. Okay, that's been going for about 8 minutes. Jump in and take a look. Get some steam out of there for you. Oh yes, that is looking absolutely divine. Okay, only one more thing to do. I'm going to drop in my bell peppers. Now zucchinis could work as well. You might also want to get a few, maybe some whole black olives in there, or green olives could work. Now look, I like a bit of a crunch on my peppers, so I'm just going to go with the lid back on for 4 more minutes. Beautiful. Okay, off goes the heat. One more look. Job done. Check that for salt and pepper. The seasoning is going to be good for me. I'm happy with that. Let me get that on a plate. That is beautiful stuff. And that's it, absolutely wonderful. I've just topped that with a little bit of chopped flat leaf parsley. You could maybe use some fresh basil, that would be nice on there as well. That's really delicious. You can serve that with potatoes or with some pasta or with some nice crunchy bread. That's beautiful, it's easy. I hope you enjoy that. You keep safe, you keep well. I'll see you soon. Lots of love. Well done for making it to the end of the video. I really appreciate it. I appreciate all of you that follow the channel on a regular basis. You know who you are. There's loads of you. I'm cooking away like non-stop. As you can see, I've got some lovely food right in front of me here. We're just about to start our cookbook. We're doing our cookbook at the moment, which is going to take a long time to come out. I know a lot of you have been asking for it, but yeah, it's going to take a while, lots to do. But yeah, cooking away. Chef June is working really hard on the channel as well, doing his Filipino food in Tagalog. Rahel's got her own channel now doing the Ethiopian food, which is marvelous. It is in Amharic, the national language of Ethiopia, but check it out because she really is fantastic. I'm doing good. I hope you're doing great. Give us a thumbs up. Leave us a comment. I do actually try and get back to everyone who leaves a comment for me. Subscribe to the channel, all that good stuff. There's social media knocking about, you know, Instagram and Facebook and all that stuff if you want to check it out. But that's it. Keep safe, keep well. Lots of love.